Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Our number 1 choice for top 5 best Japanese cookbook is Japanese Soul Cooking. If you want to go beyond sushi and ramen and explore home-style cooking, Japanese Soul Cooking is the book for you. With this 4th book on Japanese cuisine, Chef Tadashi Uno and food writer Harris Salat invite you to explore exciting comfort meals you can cook in your own kitchen. The 100-plus recipes have been kept as authentic as possible while also incorporating local Japanese culture. This Japanese cookbook discusses new ingredients and techniques, as well as global influences and the origins of popular dishes. While noodles, gyoza, and tempura have their rightful place among the recipes, you'll also find donburi, porridge, soba, and many other favorites. These are flavorful dishes made at home or served in Japanese ryokokos. Tadashi Ono and Harris Salat's wonderful storytelling draws you in, as does the rich photography set in Japan. These Japanese recipes, with clear and detailed instructions, are accessible to any home cook looking for traditional Japanese soul food. Number 2 in our side is Sushi Cookbook for Beginners. If sushi is your culinary dream, then this cookbook by Chika Ravitch is for you. The author guides you through the creation of delicious food art in your kitchen, from classic to modern and fusion sushi recipes. Sushi is a true culinary art form, filled with colors, textures, sauces, and infinite presentations. Behind every delicious dish is an innovative sushi chef who was once right where you are now. This beginner sushi recipe book and guide teaches you how to prepare 100 easy recipes that will help turn your kitchen into a sushi workshop. From classics like tuna rolls to non-traditional choices like spicy fried mozzarella rolls both inside and outside of Japan. Get information on kitchen must-haves, like a sushi rolling mat and a rice paddle, as well as advice for selecting high-quality ingredients and preparing them to perfection. Get a crash course in sushi, sashimi, nigiri, and more, all featuring readily available ingredients. Find something to suit every taste with a variety of classic seafood choices, plus a blend of vegetarian options. Sushi Cookbook for Beginners contains over 100 simple recipes and simple Japanese cooking techniques for making sushi in your own kitchen. While the creative recipes will appeal to the experienced home chef, this cookbook is primarily aimed at beginners who are unfamiliar with sushi making. This is a fantastic cookbook with a plethora of sushi variations. You'll find rolled sushi, pressed sushi, and even stuffed sushi recipes. Third in our best Japanese cookbook list is Momofuku A Cookbook. Momofuku is a fusion of Americanized Japanese, Korean, and Chinese recipes. Chang, now a culinary celebrity, owns a number of popular restaurants while remaining true to his unconventional approach. Momofuku restaurants are loud, the kitchens are open, and the overall atmosphere is as relaxed and down-to-earth as a dining establishment can be. Ginger scallion sauce is one of the greatest sauces or condiments ever. It's definitely a mother sauce at Momofuku, something that we use over and over and over again. If you have ginger scallion sauce in the fridge, you will never go hungry. Stir 6 tablespoons into a bowl of hot noodles lo mein, rice noodles, Shanghai thick noodles, and you're in business. Or serve over a bowl of rice topped with a fried egg. Or with grilled meat or any kind of seafood. Or almost anything. Add a few vegetables to the Noodletown dish to appease the vegetarians, add a little sherry vinegar to the sauce to cut the fat, and leave off the squirt of hoisin sauce that Noodletown finishes the noodles with. Mix together the scallions, ginger, oil, soy, vinegar, and salt in a bowl. Taste and check for salt, adding more if needed. Though it's best after 15 or 20 minutes of sitting, ginger scallion sauce is good from the minute it's stirred together up to a day or two in the fridge. Use as directed, or apply as needed. Our 4th pick is Ramen Obsession Mastering Japanese Ramen. If you start and end your day with ramen and are tired of the same 3 to 4 variations, get this cookbook right away. Naomi Imatomi Ramen Obsession provides ramen fans with 130 flavorful and elegant ramen recipes. It is detailed and extensive, with notes on techniques, cooking tools, recipe instructions, shopping lists, and pantry ideas. With just a few recipes and Japanese ingredients, you'll be serving steaming bowls of ramen to family and friends. The author goes beyond recipe notes to discuss the history of ramen, the rich regional flavors, and the evolution of this noodle dish. Make your own noodle bowls, as well as tried and true sauces and meaty broths. Experiment with toppings from various regions of Japan or stick to the author's recommendations. The fact that this book is among our favorites says it all. Delve into a huge variety of recipes, from spicy miso tonkotsu ramen with ginger pork to shio ramen with grilled flank steak and chimichurri, along with sides like pickles and dumplings. Discover the story of ramen's origins, the flavors of its many regional variations, and some of the most creative modern-day ramen adaptations. Last in this list is the Just Bento Cookbook. The Just Bento Cookbook, written by the top food blogger behind the sites Just Hungry and Just Bento, provides us with over 150 recipes ideal for creating healthy, affordable, and delicious lunches to enjoy on the go. A bento box is a traditional Japanese lunchbox that contains a variety of ingredients and many dishes that provide all of the nutrients we require for our midday meal. Ito describes some of her favorite traditional Japanese bento recipes, such as tamagoyaki bento and salted salmon bento, as well as some less traditional recipes, such as Indian tiffin-inspired bento and deconstructed salad niçoise bento, in this book. This staple lunchtime cookbook includes not only all of the beautifully photographed recipes, but also tips for quick bento making, advice on how to pack a bento box, and even timelines to help make the morning bento making process as efficient as possible.